god. Oh fuck. Oh Jesus fucking Christ. Explain this whole thing in case this makes it into a YouTube video. Alright guys, so I have a cup here. Not that large of a cup, but it's large enough for me to be freaked out about what I'm about to drink. So what we have here, we have Heinz ketchup, honey barbecue sauce, mayonnaise, white wine vinegar, Hershey's syrup. I added that. Go fuck yourself, Roxy. Chunky blue cheese.
That sounds so good with syrup.
Mayo. I mean, mustard. Apple cider vinegar. I think that covers everything. Oh, wait, hold on.
Hot sauce.
Yeah. They didn't have hot sauce, but the closest thing they had was a chili garlic sauce.
Ooh.
Okay. Oh my god. Alright, dude, I'm not fucking filling up this entire cup of this fucking shit.
Are you drinking all of it?
I don't know, should I? We're putting in mayo. Oh my god, this is so fucked.
Yeah, this spoon isn't even clean. You're just dipping it in there. You're just a dick.
Well, I'm not gonna put that much, but I need enough to make it like liquidy, you know? Right now it's just chunk.
Well, you could always mix it with water, but yeah.
Apple cider vinegar.
What was the other one?
Barbecue sauce. Okay.
Said put more apple cider, don't be a pussy.
Dude, fuck off, dude. He's smart though. He knows the vinegar is gonna be like the worst part.
Do that. I would have just taken it without it.
Without chocolate?
Yeah, it would have been. I don't think it's gonna mask it that much. Ugh. No, bro, you're gonna make me throw up.
Trash can. Alright, so I would say it's like a mix between like a shot and like a half a cup. And I'm not gonna fucking drink this cup clean, but yes, I'll do it until it's empty. Oh my god, dude, the chunks. Look at the chunks, bro. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh fuck. Oh Jesus fucking Christ. I think I'm okay. No.